Hi everyone! May isang tanong tayo ulit na sasagutin from one of our TikTok followers at Jalene's Marketplace. Paano naman po pag mahilig sa arts? Ano ang pwedeng work sa freelancing? Napanood niya yung isa sa mga videos natin about nurse na gustong pumasok sa virtual assistants and freelancing world. So, come, work and play with me, Sir Tommy na laging happy at busog ang Tommy. So, pag mahilig ka sa arts, or yun ang linya na tinatahak mo sa college, or simple doon ka nag-excel sa senior high school, for example, sa yung strand, ito naman ang mga match na work madalas. Dahil into arts ka, nadidikit ka lagi sa word na creative. Pwedeng visual arts, creative writing, content creation, or storytelling and the likes. Social media, virtual assistants, and content creation. Ito ang ilan sa pinakamalawak na work online for you. Ito din madalas yung malaki ang sweldo. Ito yung mga task niya pag-assist sa pagmamanage ng mga platforms like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn, or just website management assistance. Nag-upload ka madalas dito ng pictures, nagsusulat ng mga new articles or captions. Need ng basic to advanced writing skills or content creation. Then, graphic design and video editing. Simulan mo sa pag-balance ng colors, pag-ayos ng text kung bagay ba, okay? At tignan kung malinaw lagi yung ina-upload mo. And then for video editing as well, try CapCut or Filmora. Upskill on that. And then, saka mo niyan, aaralin din ng search engine optimization, and then ads management and community handling. 'Di ba? Ang dami, ang lawak. Ganun kalawak na skill sets ang pwede mong pagyabungin sa social media VA pa lang and content creation. And take your time, okay? Learn more to earn more, sabi nga. Not one-time learning process yon. It will be a long upskilling process or maybe lifetime commitment kasi may bago every now and then yan. So, wag ka papaiwan. Okay? Then, yung mga na-upskill mo na ito, merong madalas mag-open na mas malalaking role, mas specific for another niche. Niche, yun yung parang pwedeng yun yung area of specialization mo. Halimbawa, ang graphic design. Yung basic na skills mo dyan na inaral mo, kapag nilaliman mo yung kaalaman mo, mas madaming opportunities dyan. Pwede mo mahanap na specific job na focus ka lang sa pagde-design ng mga contents. Yun lang ang gagawin mo. Through Canva, Photoshop, ganun. O kaya naman nag-improve ka at tinodo mo ang pag-aaral ng, you know, minaster mo yung video editing. Mas madami pang roles na pwede mong kunin. Then, the more na mamahalin mo at mamahalin ka lalo ng freelancing. If you value, adding more to the table and you love making greater creative results or output, talagang patok na patok sa'yo ang freelancing. And then, so, sa social media virtual assistance and content creation pa lang, ang dami na, di ba? Dami ng work na pwede mong i-try and i-explore. But make sure you find your area of specialization. Just make sure meron kang focus at expertise talaga. Sabi nga nila, okay yung jack of all trades ka. Kasi before pandemic, palagi ko naririnig yung kapag wala kang isang expertise, para ka daw walang direction sa buhay. You know what, after pandemic, lahat parang gustong itry yung mga bagong bagay outside of their comfort zones. Hindi nila expertise yon pero they try para may, they can feed their family, which is true. So the lesson is, iba ang maraming alam or multi-talented and multi-passionate. Don't limit yourself. Meron ka ng area of specialization that is perfect, pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi ka na magta-try ng ibang bagay. Mamili ka pa din ng isa na talagang ipupush mo ng todo para naman syempre hindi ka naliligaw ng landas or meron ka pa ring focus. Okay? So, gaya ng social media VA, if that is your focus, that's good. Although, it encapsulates a lot of skills na dapat i-enhance mo. In other words, sakop niya ang karamihan na pwedeng dun ka magaling. Okay? Being multi-talented and multi-passionate. Hindi ka mawawalan ng projects and work kapag isinapuso mo yung ginagawa mo. At tinanap mo syempre kung saan ka sinaselebrate yung talent mo. Okay? Work hard, yes, but work smarter. And of course, organizing your thoughts could be your best tool in freelancing. So for more questions, just feel free to ask or comment and try nating sagutin isa-isa. Follow lang sa @SirTammy sa lahat ng social media accounts natin na nasa screen mo. Bye, the freelancers!